Hey guys, what's up? Bryan here. Thanks for tuning in today. Wanted to bring you guys just a really super quick video on how to get your rear tire removed, so stick around. So like I said, I wanted to bring you guys just a really super quick video on removing the rear tire. I'm actually out there in the garage right now doing the video on the lowering links, and I've got to pull that back tire to get the shock out. And I thought, you know, while I'm at it, I may as well go ahead and show you guys how to do it yourself. So let's get out there and let's get that tire pulled. Now the first thing that we're going to want to do is put the bike up on a jack and make sure that it's nice and secure. Pulling the tire is actually very easy to do, and it's something that you can do in just a few minutes. Now to start, we're going to have to get just a little bit of slack on the belt, and we'll do that by actually taking these adjuster bolts and sinking them in. And you can start by taking a 12mm wrench and loosening the stop bolts on these adjusters. And then you can take that, sink it all the way in to the bolt, and then we'll take that bolt and sink it all the way in as well. Now one smart thing to do is actually take note of where your hash marks are lining up. That way when you go to reinstall it, you can actually put it back there and your belt adjustment should be pretty close, and you can kind of work from there. Now when you're making note of these hash marks, you will want to check both sides because they may not be on the same exact one. So like I said, we'll take this and we'll sink this bolt all the way in. And we're going to do this on both sides. Now once you've taken the adjusters and sank them in on both sides, you can actually remove the bolt that's holding your rear caliper bracket on. Now from there, we're ready to loosen and remove the actual axle bolt. Now once you've removed that axle bolt, you can actually take the tire, slide it forward, and then just pull that belt off. Now from there you can come back to the other side, take a rubber mallet, and tap this axle bolt out. Once you've got it started, you can come to the other side and pull it the rest of the way out. Now from there you can actually start to pull your tire back, but you will want to make sure that you've removed this rear caliper and go ahead and set that up on the swing arm so that it doesn't hang on anything, and your tire's free. Guys, thanks for tuning in today. Hopefully this video was able to show you how quick and easy it is to get that rear tire pulled. Be sure to like and share this video, and if you're not subscribed, scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you get notified to my new videos. Other than that, we'll see you next time.